What's up, YouTube? So today we are in Propstream. If you want to try our Propstream, it is a 7-day free trial. All right, so what's up, YouTube? So today we are going to go through. All right, what's up, YouTube? So today I'm going to show you how to make a landlord's list. So I like this list because landlords, they understand the business and they are willing to deal and sell properties at a discount and creatively if you know how to do that. Today we obviously are in Propstream. If you want to try out this software, it's only $97 a month, but I have a 7-day free trial if you want to try it out. I highly suggest that you do because you can pull 10,000 leads per month inside of the software. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So I'm going to clear this filter. So with a landlord list, what I like to do is I like to, this is not going to be owner occupied. The occupancy does not matter. Right now, let's focus on just single family. Next, ownership info, 10 years or more. And, all right, we'll see our list right there. And a minimum of 5 properties. Okay. Minimum of 5 properties. Now, mortgage info doesn't really matter unless, actually, let's go back to it. Well, let's do this first. Estimated equity. Well, at least 80% minimum, 80% or more. And then you want to get real good is include free and clear. Here we go. MLS status on market? No, obviously. For sale, for rent, listing type doesn't matter. Free foreclosure. Now we go back to ownership info. Now we're going to get real crazy. We do out of state only. See how it cuts it down? Now these people, so let's look at it. They don't live in a property. It's only single family houses. It's off market. They've owned it for 10 years or more. They have 5 or more properties. They live out of state. They have 80% or more equity in the property. And we're including all the free and clear properties. So, as you can see, that is 7,400 properties. You don't have to download everything, but I mean, you can download half or whatever it is. This is a good list. Now, if you really wanted to get real freaky and get big landlords, here we go. They own 10 or more properties. So you know these people are willing and dealing and are willing to make some deals, sell some property if the price is right. So appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And once again, like I said, I have a 7-day free trial if you want to try out this powerful investment software. And until the next video, I'm out.